Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I definitely don't like my eyeshadow looks to get too dark. I need some shadows to blend in there to give me some light. And one shadow that has been doing that for me lately is this MAC shadow in the shade Yogurt. It has a super fine, soft, and really blendable texture. It is this beautiful, light, bright color with this soft, pinkish hue. I love to use it as a subtle highlight color for under my brow bone and for the inner corners of my eyes. When I use it this way, I find that it really brightens up and just wakes up my whole eye look. I also have found it to be great as a lid color for when I'm doing a blended crease look. It works really well at blending out any hard edges in my eyeshadow and making everything just really harmonious. I found this MAC eyeshadow in the shade Yogurt to be a great shade for complementing my shadows and for brightening up my eyes. And that's my point of view.